how to change the Windows language on your computer. So first you want to right click on the start button and then open up the settings window. Then you want to click on time and language. And then you want to select or click on the language right here on the left side. And you should see Windows display language. Now for Windows 11, this should be under time and language. And for Windows 10, it's only language. So for the Windows display language, so currently I have only English, so I will need to add other languages to use for Windows display language. So for example, you can click on add a language right here and basically search for the language such as Arabic, for example, and then you can choose the country. So I'm going to choose this one right here, click on next. And before proceeding, you will need to make sure to check this box right here, which says set as my Windows display language, which will basically make Windows display language in Arabic or whatever language that you have selected or picked in this box. And then you will need to proceed and click on install and wait for this to install the language that you have chose. And once it's done, it will ask you to sign out to apply these changes. So you can confirm and sign out now, or basically refuse and do it later. And as you can see right here, the Windows display language has changed to Arabic. Now in Windows 11, you might as well need to drag the language that you want to use as preferred language to the top. So as you can see right here, if you drag English to the top on Windows 11, it should be set as the Windows display language or the preferred language. And then you'll simply need to restart your computer to apply all of these changes. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.